Hello students, chapter number 6, subsidiary book, lecture number 6. Today we'll see the sum number 10. See the sum number 10. From the following, prepare subsidiary books and purchase return book. Prepare purchase book and purchase return book in the books of account of Gujarat Traders. 2018 January 1st, goods purchase of rupees 1 lakh at 5% trade discount from Punjab stores. The name of person, it means Punjab stores is given. Word cash or bank is not mentioned. It's a cash credit transactions, or also it's a transaction of purchase. So recorded in a purchase book. Goods purchase of 60,000 on credit of 1 month from Maharashtra stores. Trade discount 10%, also recorded in a purchase book. Goods purchase of rupees 50,000 from Kerala stores on credit, and 50% amount is paid immediately. So 50% transaction is cash transaction and 50% transaction is credit transactions. So it's considered as a credit transactions and recorded in a subsidiary book, it means in a purchase book. 1/3 goods is returned to Maharashtra stores along with debit note number 43 of appropriate amount is sent. यानी 1/3 goods return है तो इट्स recorded in a purchase return book. Goods purchase of 40,000 at 10% trade discount from Rajasthan stores. Rajasthan stores had sent invoice number 160 after adding the 5% GST and labor 400 rupees. Also considered in a purchase book. Next 25, goods purchase of rupees 50,000. Goods purchase of rupees 15,000 on credit from Uttar Pradesh stores. Credit periods is of 2 months and a trade discount is 10%. Bill number 380. Out of the total goods purchased from Uttar Pradesh stores, 30% goods is returned along with goods debit note 44. Out of total goods purchased from Uttar Pradesh stores, 30% goods is returned along with the goods debit note number 44. That's a purchase return. An order of goods purchase of 80,000. An order of goods purchased of rupees 80,000 at 10% trade discount is placed to Madhya Pradesh stores. तो यहाँ पे ऑर्डर मीन्स है, इट्स ऑल्सो कंसिडर एज non-economic transactions and not recorded in the books of accounts. An order of goods तो इसे नॉन. Now goods of 30,000 purchase at 10% trade discount and 5% cash discount on cash, so it is not recorded. Cash transaction is not recorded in subsidiary books. Now let's see the one by one. Again मैंने यहाँ पे रेडी रखा हुआ है, मीन्स उसका प्रो फॉर्मा, सो टाइम हमारा वेस्ट नहीं होगा. इट्स अ परचेज बुक ऑफ. Here we are from the following, prepare the purchase book and purchase return book of in the books of account of Gujarat Traders. तो purchase book of Gujarat Traders, purchase book of Gujarat Traders and purchase return book of Gujarat Traders. Purchase return book of Gujarat Traders. Let's see one by one example. Goods purchased of rupees 1 lakh. Goods purchased of rupees 1 lakh at 5% trade discount from Punjab stores. 2018 January 1st, Punjab stores. तो 1 lakh rupees goods at 5% trade discount. So 1 lakh minus 5,000. 1 lakh minus 5,000. That's a 95,000. Next one, goods purchase of rupees 60,000 on credit of 1 month from Maharashtra stores. So on third date it's Maharashtra stores. It's a very simple, आगे किए वही ट्रांजेक्शन्स है, बट देर आर टू combined purchase and purchase return, sales and sales return same. It's a very easy. Maharashtra, all transactions are very simple in these sums. So Maharashtra stores goods of 60,000 on a credit of 1 month from Maharashtra stores, trade discount 10, 60 minus 6,000 यानी 54,000, bill number 330 and 60 minus 6 यानी 54,000. On 10 date, goods purchase of rupees 50,000 from Kerala stores on a credit and 50% amount is paid immediately, but is considered as a credit transactions on 10 date. Kerala stores 50,000 rupees. नेक्स्ट वन ऑन 70, 1/3 गुड्स इज रिटर्न टू महाराष्ट्र स्टोर्स. सो महाराष्ट्र स्टोर्स कितना अमाउंट है यहाँ पे 54,000. 54 का 1/3 कर दो तो 18 3 जा 54, 18,000 आने वाला है. सो ऑन 17 डेट महाराष्ट्र स्टोर्स और अमाउंट है 18,000. डेबिट नोट नंबर 43, डेबिट नोट, सॉरी बाय मिस्टेक यहाँ पे इनवर्ड लिख दिया है, डेबिट नोट नंबर 43. नेक्स्ट 21, गुड्स परचेज ऑफ 40,000 एट 10% ट्रेड डिस्काउंट फ्रॉम राजस्थान स्टोर्स. सो 21 राजस्थान स्टोर्स sent invoice number 160. $40,000 minus 10% trade discount में 36,000. Goods purchase of rupees 50,000 on credit from Uttar Pradesh stores. Credit period is of 2 months and the trade discount is 10%. तो goods purchase of rupees 50,000 on credit from Uttar Pradesh stores. So the date 25 Uttar Pradesh stores. क्रेडिट पीरियड 2 मंथ्स एंड द ट्रेड डिस्काउंट 10%. तो 50 माइनस 10% ट्रेड डिस्काउंट, अमाउंट है हमारी 45,000. अमाउंट कितनी है 45,000. नेक्स्ट 29, आउट ऑफ टोटल गुड्स परचेज्ड फ्रॉम उत्तर प्रदेश स्टोर्स 30% गुड्स इज रिटर्न along with goods डेबिट नोट 44. तो परचेज रिटर्न है यहाँ पे उत्तर प्रदेश स्टोर्स, 30% गुड्स है तो 45,000 इंटू 30%, 13,500 एंड द डेट इज 29 उत्तर प्रदेश स्टोर्स 44, 13,500 an order of goods, that's a non-economic transactions not recorded in the books of the subsidiary books in accounts. And the last one, goods 30,000 purchase at 10% trade discount and 5% cash discount on cash. It's a cash transaction also not recorded in the book. So now we'll see the total amount, total of purchase book and total of purchase return. The total of purchase is 95 plus 54. 95 plus 54, 50,000, 36,000 and 45,000. तो 5 plus 5 10 plus 6 plus 4 10 10 20 0 2. तो 6 9 plus 2 11 plus 5 5 10 21 21 plus 4 25 25 plus 28 and 2,80,000. And the total of purchase return is 508 plus 3 11 plus 1 यानी 31,500. बस बहुत ही सिंपल है. नाउ विल सी द 11 नंबर. वन मोर सम्स. Directly you have a textbook, so see, read. I am solving all these sums one by one. I have already prepared the 11 number. Sum number 11. From the following transactions prepare the sales book. So we say it's a sales book and sales return book in the books of account of Pratibha Furniture Mart. तो sales book of Pratibha Furniture Mart. Pratibha Furniture Mart. And the sales return book of Pratibha Furniture Mart. Pratibha Furniture Mart. Now see the sum number 1, यानी first transaction. See the first transaction. Goods of rupees 10,000. Goods of rupees 10,000 at 10% trade discount sold to Rajesh Furniture Mart. He has paid an half amount. So the half transaction credit to our half transaction cash. तो in this case the whole transaction is considered as a credit transaction. पूरे transaction को as a credit transaction हम record करेंगे. So see 2018 September 1st, goods of 10,000 at 10% cash discount sold to Rajesh Furniture Mart. Here the 10% cash discount, not a credit trade discount. So here is the credit transaction. So the cash transaction is not calculated on it. So the Rajesh Furniture Mart on first date, Rajesh Furniture Mart, and the amount is 10,000. Rajesh Furniture Mart, amount 10,000. Next one, goods of rupees 8,000 at 10% trade discount and 5% cash discount sold to Pushpa. Credit period of 1 month, bill number 130, sent by adding rupees 100 of labor. तो जो labor means है, labor will be calculated and recorded in a general proper, but the goods sold at 10% trade discount, none of the person Pushpa is mentioned, but the word cash is not mentioned, so it's considered as a credit transaction. Now on 5th date, Pushpa and 8,000 minus 10% trade discount, it means 7,200 rupees, and bill number 130, credit note यहाँ पे सर 130 rupees. Next one, on 12 date, goods of rupees 4,000 sold at 10% trade discount and 5% cash discount. Goods of rupees 4,000 sold at 10% trade discount and 5% cash discount. तो 4,000 rupees and minus 10% यानी 400 लेस करो 3,600, and the name of person is not mentioned, so it is considered as a cash transactions or not recorded in the books of accounts. So 12 number, it's a cash transactions. कैश ट्रांजेक्शन है और वो मीन्स सम रिकॉर्ड नहीं कर, इट विल नॉट बी रिकॉर्डेड इन अ सेल्स बुक और अ सेल्स रिटर्न बुक बिकॉज इट्स अ कैश ट्रांजेक्शन. Now the next one, goods of 5,000 is returned by Rajesh Furniture Marts, goods received back then send the credit note number 16. तो यहाँ पे सेल्स रिटर्न है 2018 सितंबर 2018 सितंबर goods of 5,000 return on 15 date. Goods of 5,000 is returned by Rajesh Furniture Mart. So Rajesh Furniture Mart. Goods of 5,000. 16. That's a credit note number or goods of rupees 5,000. Now the next one. An old machine sold to Manju on credit. मशीन है तो machinery is not recorded in subsidiary books whatever the amount. So next one 22. Goods sold of rupees 30,000. Goods sold of rupees 30,000 at 5% trade discount to Harish. Invoice number 136 sent by adding 5% GST and 2,000 labor charges. तो गुड्स सोल्ड ऑफ रुपीज़ 30,000 एट 5% ट्रेड डिस्काउंट. तो 30,000 माइनस 5% ट्रेड डिस्काउंट 28,500 रुपीज़. सो ऑन 22nd date हरीश अकाउंट हरीश देन बिल नंबर 136 28,500 rupees. And next one, goods sold of rupees 20,000 to Nita on credit of 1 month. Trade discount is 10% and cash discount 10%. Cash discount is not considered. Trade discount 10%. So 20,000 minus 10%. 20 minus 2 18,000. So Nita on credit 23. Nita 20 minus 10 to any 18,000 rupees. Next one, an order for goods of 15,000 is received from Mukesh. We know very well the order received is our non-economic transaction and it's not recorded in the books of accounts. So now we'll see the total 708 plus 8 16 16 plus 7 23 2 plus 1 3 plus 3 यानी 63,700 rupees. और here only the one entry is given 5,000. So the total of sales return is 5,000 rupees. Total of sales return is 5,000. So that's a very simple. यहीं पे कंप्लीट कर रहे हैं. नेक्स्ट समय वो देखेंगे हमारे नेक्स्ट वीडियो में. थैंक यू वेरी मच.